According to patent filings, Apple has been experimenting with virtual reality and augmented reality technologies for almost 20 years. However, as virtual and augmented reality gain popularity thanks to the release of ARKit, Apple's experiments are becoming more serious and are anticipated to result in the first wearable. Numerous employees at Apple are engaged in research on augmented reality and virtual reality, looking into potential applications for these new technologies in upcoming products.